Are you using power words to make your resume stand out and shine? If not, you should be, especially since it's so quick and easy. First, the good news. There are over 400 power words, including verbs, adjectives, and adverbs at your disposal. Now, the bad news, you can't possibly use all of them. In fact, because they're so very powerful, you should use them sparingly. Now, here's some more good news. I put a link in this video description where you can view all of these power words instead of trying to copy them all down by yourself. The first thing I want you to understand is that power words are like potent spices you might add to a great recipe. By that I mean too many spices can ruin that recipe. Now, I want you to start off by reflecting on your past job duties and work responsibilities. Did you manage people, sell products, provide customer service, analyze operations? Whatever actions you performed are verbs that you want to pair with strong adverbs. So in this previous example, you didn't just manage people, you effectively managed people. You didn't just sell products, you successfully sold products. You didn't just provide customer service, you enthusiastically provided helpful customer service. And you didn't just analyze operations, you meticulously analyzed operations. Don't try and add an adverb to every verb because that would quickly ruin the effect. Just a few will go a very long way. Now, the last of the power words are adjectives and are generally used in describing yourself in either the profile section of your resume or the summary of qualifications. You will also use them when you introduce yourself in the cover letter. If you're in nursing, for instance, you might use adjectives like kind, caring, compassionate, personable, patient, attentive. If you're in technology, you might choose methodical and precise, and so on. With over 400 power words to choose from, you're sure to find just the right ones to make your resume pop. It's not hard, and it's definitely worth the effort. So remember to check out the full list in the video description. Now, if you'd like more guidance, check out my free workbook in the video description. It contains all the useful questions and exercises I walk my own resume clients through. Since it worked for them, it can work for you. In the meantime, all my best for your future success. You're closer than you think.